Good news, guys! This beautiful small town in Canada has finally released the long awaited list of designated employers. And the most interesting part of this news is that this community has carefully highlighted the employers that are currently hiring overseas applicants. Guys, what this means is that you don't have to beat about the bush applying to employers that are registered for the RCIP but not recruiting. So you have the list of those that are currently accepting applications to save you from fruitless effort, because the truth is that it's not all employers that are listed for the RCIP, that's the Rural Community Immigration Pilot Program, that are currently recruiting from outside Canada. Some of them already have foreign workers working for them in Canada, so they are also using this route, to get PR for their staff. So, but there are other employers that are in need of foreign workers. That means they have labor shortage and they do not have enough people in Canada to take up these jobs, which is one of the reasons why this particular pilot program was initiated by the government of Canada, to allow these rural communities having labor shortages access qualified foreign workers from any nation of the world. So guys, this is an amazing opportunity for you, whether you are in, especially if you are outside Canada. You can reach out directly to these employers that are currently hiring overseas applicants for direct permanent residency. So guys, if you are new to the Rural Community Immigration Pilot Program, on this channel I've explained everything you need to know about this pilot program. It's a direct pathway to permanent residency. You can move with your family, so you want to go ahead and check the previous video. So without further ado, let's dive right into today's video. So the community I'm talking about today is the town of Claresholm, and they are currently accepting applications. They are one of the selected rural communities to participate in the Rural Community Immigration Pilot Program. So guys, they are currently open for applications, and these are the priority occupation sectors. So if your occupation falls under any of these, you are eligible to move into this community and reside permanently. Occupations under the health sector, you can go through it. Manufacturing and utilities. I don't want this video to be long, so I'm going to drop the link in the video description, so go through it. If you can find your occupation on this list, then you are eligible to apply to move to this amazing community. Now, without wasting time, let's go check the employers that are currently accepting applications from overseas applicants. So guys, coming here, you can see designated employers. This community started rolling out the list of the designated employers on the 30th of May 2025, and like I told you earlier on, they keep updating this list as employer keeps signifying interest in the program. So you can always keep checking the page for updates. It's an employer-led program, so you will need to contact employers directly to secure a job offer and then work with them to submit an application for community recommendation. So I'm also going to take you through the pages of these employers that are currently recruiting. On their pages, you can find their contact number, their email, and all of that, so you can reach out to them and signify your interest in the open positions. So please keep in mind that many local employers are not currently hiring for new positions under RCIP, but are utilizing this program as a way to provide a pathway to permanent residency for existing temporary foreign worker employees. So like I told you, it's not all of these employers that are currently hiring overseas workers. This community has taken the time to separate them. So for the employers that are just using the RCIP to get PR for their current staff, you can see it written boldly in front of it, not hiring. So for those employers that you can find not hiring in front of them, please don't reach out to them. They are just taking advantage of this pilot program to get PR for their current foreign temporary workers who are yet to get PR. So they are leveraging on this opportunity to get them PR. This community has made it a lot easier for you guys. So because some of you would have gotten in touch with an employer under the RCIP in other community that will tell you we are not currently hiring. So they fall under this category, so you know the particular employers you are going to target. So for this community, we only have 3 of them that are currently hiring. Like I said earlier on, keep checking the website because they keep updating this list as the designated employers goes through the process and they are being approved. But for the purpose of this video, we only have 3 employers in this community that are currently recruiting overseas applicants. So we have Structural Precast, CFI Flight Academy, they're currently hiring, and lastly we have Team Hortons. So guys, these are the 3 employers you are going to reach out to. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to check the career pages of these organizations. So guys, this is the career page of Team Hortons. So they have locations in Canada and they have locations in the US. So I'm going to drop the link in the video description. Just click on Canada, then click on apply. Then it's going to bring out opportunities that they currently have in Canada. So you can select English. So obviously they have locations in other parts of Canada apart from this particular town. So you want to click on English language. This is like a food and beverage organization, and you can see new opportunities and challenges every day are just a few of the reasons you'll be happy you came on board. So coming down here, you can see their careers, restaurant opportunities, campus program, corporate opportunities, warehouse and transportation opportunities right here. Just go ahead and explore the different opportunities. Let's start with restaurant opportunities. So ready to join, work at team, find your place. So find the restaurant and apply. So you want to click on find the restaurant and apply. Just ensure that the restaurant you're applying to is actually located in this particular town. This is very important. Except the restaurant is also located in one of the RCIP designated community, so you can also apply to that particular restaurant. So coming down here, you want to search by location. So guys, you're going to type the name of this town so that you'll be able to apply to the right place, and it's going to bring out the job openings in this environment. So you can see the opportunities that are available. Just click on it and check the requirements. So for a baker now, just go ahead and read it and see the requirements. Accommodations available upon request. So if you are good to go on this opening, just click on apply and you get started with your application. So they are in need of restaurant team member, designated trainer, team supervisor, assistant restaurant manager, restaurant manager. Then come here to corporate opportunities. So find your dream career at RBI. So we give you the tools you need to discover your perfect job match. So here, there are different openings: communications and event, development and expansion, administrative support services, finance, account and tax, restaurants and franchise operations, legal, marketing people, supply chain, different sectors. So about us, you can try to read it. This is Restaurant Brand International Incorporation. So that's like the group company. So they have different subsidiaries under the group, so they are hiring from different sectors, and you can just go ahead to explore the various opportunities that are available. So they are in Toronto, Miami, that's the United States, Switzerland, Singapore. Just narrow your search down to the communities that are under the RCIP. So click here to join. So what you're going to do here is that you're going to apply apply for a job, you just have to upload your resume. You insert your first name, your last name, your email address, your phone number. So you have to select your sector here. If you're in the finance sector, marketing, PDI, communication technology, global, and all of that, and put your LinkedIn account if you have any. And by submitting this form, you consent to have terms and condition. Then you click on submit. So guys, you can do that for the other two organizations that are currently recruiting. Just go on Google and type the name of that company. Because this video is getting too long, type the name of the company and put careers. Go to their career page, explore the various opportunities they're having, submit your applications. Make sure your CV is in Canadian standard format and very competitive. So I wish you the very best of luck in your applications. Till I see you in my next video. If you have any question, drop it for me in the comment section. So let's go ahead to interact in the comment section.